Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2021 GMC 1500 Elevation Edition. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks. This truck has heated cloth seats with a heated steering wheel. Of course, it has XM radio, cruise control, air conditioning, and a power driver's seat. Our Elevation is powered by a 5.3 liter engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. The rear passenger compartment has seating for 3, also has the GMC molded heavy-duty mats and a few USB ports there as well for the rear passengers. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2021 GMC 1500 Elevation Edition, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.